Realme GT Neo 2. So you are a gaming enthusiast and you need a new gaming smartphone. While there are unarguably a plethora of gaming smartphones in the market, the Realme GT Neo 2 promises mind-blowing features. Surely, your attention has been sparked. Stay with us through this video to see even more awesome perks of this phone. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The Realme GT Neo 2 was announced on September 22, 2021, and came into the market by October 2021. It's available in 3 different colors: Neo Green, Neo Blue, and Neo Black, and the dual-tone glass rear panel of the Neo Green Realme GT Neo 2 device is unique. The green part has a soft, matte surface, while the 2 black stripes that span the length of the panel have a glossy touch. Because the back panel is made of numerous panes of glass, it does not pick up fingerprints and is rather easy to grasp. Meanwhile, there are no stripes on the Neo Blue and Neo Black choices, and while the former has a gradient, the latter is absolutely plain. The GT Neo 2's Neo Green finish stands out, and the vivid neon green color may be a bit much for certain purchasers. However, it is quite loud and will possibly draw more attention. So, it's best to opt for the smoky Neo Blue or the satin-like Neo Black if you want something unique. Thankfully, Realme will also provide 2 more modest colorways that are as distinctive as those above. For the internal storage, the Realme GT Neo 2 have just 2 variations: the 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both options are reasonably priced. As a mid-range gaming smartphone, the Realme GT Neo 2 is a strong rival to most of its counterparts with specs that stand out. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC powers the Realme GT Neo 2. This processor provides enough raw performance, and the phone's cooling system keeps that performance stable over long gaming sessions. It has a typical Realme UI 2.0 software, which is based on Android 11. For those who love memory space, unfortunately, there is no microSD card for memory expansion. However, the phone comes with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This phone has 2 nano SIM slots and enables dual 5G standby, as well as multiple SA and NSA 5G bands. Meanwhile, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and conventional satellite navigation systems are among the communication standards. The GT Neo 2 has a 120Hz refresh rate and a Full HD Plus resolution AMOLED display. The display also has a touch sampling rate of up to 600Hz, which is believed to be handy when playing games. Also, the dual speakers are quite loud and clear, providing an immersive gaming experience. The Realme GT Neo 2 comes with a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged with the included 65W charger. This provides outstanding battery life, easily lasting a day and a half, even with some gaming sessions. Amazingly, the Realme GT Neo 2 has a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2MP macro camera on the back, while a 16MP front-facing camera is for selfies. The selfies that are taken with the front-facing camera often have good resolution and dynamic range, although they are frequently overexposed. When using the front-facing camera in portrait mode, edge recognition was mediocre at best. But with the back camera in portrait mode, that challenge was remedied. At best, the camera's performance is a mixed bag. While the performance in daylight is good, it is not consistent. Camera performance in low light isn't fantastic, and video isn't much better. So, the GT Neo 2 isn't a true all-rounder. However, the hardcore gaming performance enabled by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC and this phone's cooling system is undeniably impressive. While it lacks the specialized trigger buttons and RGB lighting as seen on the Poco F3 GT, it does provide a high-quality AMOLED display and long battery life. So, what do you think about the Realme GT Neo 2? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.